hello my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic, I want just advise our ladies wey be say they don't get shame for eye. Like seriously, how can a 60 years old woman not go see get sense, my darling people? This one shock me, like seriously. This one shockalize me, my darling people. I beg, why I want to do this video be say, why I want react to this video be say, I beg. If you see man, we will never see each other face to face, all those Facebook toasting, more na they use una HQ, more na they use una sense. Many they there, they just come destroy. You understand? A man would never see face to face, no show your bekos. How many times would they do it for social media? How many times would they tell Luna, Mona no they do am? How many times? How person want to advise Una again? How person want to advise Una? My darling people. This one shock me, oh. This one, it shockalize me, like seriously. My darling people, if una see this video, una go shockalize. As in, the thing they surprise me. Upon wetin dey happen for social media, una see they show men una bekus. Like seriously. Upon wetin dey happen for social media, una not dey use and get sense. Now wetin una wan try tell me, my darling people. Una need to see this video, una go shockalize. Una go shockalize, like una go shock. Wetin this woman dey look for where she can't go dey show her bekus to men. 60 years old woman dey show her bekus to man for phone. If they follow her, they play mumu love for phone. Like the thing shockalize me. This man go bring you John Thomas. This woman go bring it, go they touch her bekus. Now so the guy go they push him around. Show me your yan, she go see show him. Show me here, he go show him. Show me here, he go show him. Like seriously, my people, this life no balance. And they always they talk and say the life no balance, and the really no balance. Wetin this woman they look for now? Elderly woman like this, how you want to advise small pikin? How you want to advise small girl now? You fit do this kind of thing now. What you want to advise a young girl? Well, this elderly woman for that matter, 60 years old. Now you do this one so. 60 years old woman, who she get children, big children. They even send the video, go give the pikin. When the son see this pikin, the picture, the video, the son say, "Mom, what is this?" She even still get daughter for UK. Like seriously, this woman dey Napoli, my darling people. This one shock me, oh. This woman too mature for all those things. She too mature for all those things. Now, elderly woman, why she go do this kind of thing? Why? I know, say, you fit play with your man for phone wey be say you don dey fall in love with the guy, but you never see him. Some women dey do am, but in my own terrorist, like person like me, I can't do that with man. Lie. My people, anybody wey need the video, if he add me for WhatsApp, I will give them, because I don't fit put the video for here. Not dey possible. I don't fit put the video for YouTube. So anybody wey need them, they go add me for WhatsApp, I will give them. This woman shockalize everybody. If they say, "Mo una come hook up," make person hook una up. Una not go here. Una will say, "No, hook up not good." Okay, now, you don't go jam man now for Facebook now. Man, wait for never see face to face. You begin to send your bekus. They juggle for phone with this man. This guy go bring you John Thomas. He go hold him. He go tell the woman, "Let me see your bekus. Let me see your..." And the guy not show his face, so he go to tell the woman, "Let me see your bekus. Let me see your Bobby." The woman go see show stand. He just dey like I want to put him. It just be like it doesn't. They do the woman like mumu, like person who don't know what they do. My darling people, I shock when I see the video. I shock. Say, what is this woman they look for? What it be a problem? Why she do this kind of thing to herself? Why she choose to do this kind of thing to her own self? This woman fall women hand. 60 years old, you are too mature for all those things. This woman like you fucked up, not be say go come. This thing what you do so you not supposed to do am. My darling people, as I see the video, me I shocked her eyes. A darling woman for that matter. Fine woman, why you go do this kind of thing? Why? You too mature for all those things. If your girl or your pikin tell you say you do this kind of thing, how you go take advice am? You know the shame when your children now go they face. Your children now go they ashamed of themselves. They go they shame now to waka because people go they use those videos now against them. Madam, you not supposed to do this kind of thing at all. You not supposed to do am. You as in this thing when you do so your children, I pray may they forgive you. No, you too as a elderly woman how you be. You don't need all those things. You don't need them at all. Why? What it make you do am? What it make you go the reason all those things they do am? My darling people, this one it shocked me. Really. Now because I know some of them go they say why did they talk like this? Because you never see the video. If you see the video, you yourself you go shocked. You go shock. You can't know why I they talk like this. The thing it's not good for eye. This boy used this woman. And the guys, why it be say a woman go just willingly give you a body, they show you ikbekus. Why una they like to the blackmail them with this thing? It's not good. Somebody use their own mind. Say play with you. The next thing when you do this man, now to come they share the video, they follow everywhere. Now don't be the main thing what you supposed to do. Why you do this kind of thing to this woman, this man? What did this woman do you? I know say before you publish this thing, you don't tell the woman say make it give you money. Maybe she not gonna give you. Now you can say no, you share her. Why? When you know say she gets elderly children. This woman an advanced woman. She don't mature. Why you do this kind of thing to her? You this man. Your own karma they wait for you. Your own karma they wait for you. And they always tell people say don't enjoy the saga where you see for social media. See they pick some sense inside for all those things where they happen. Pick some sense. Pick some sense inside. And they always tell people. Not just they just relax, say no, they happy for another person down for no. You yourself see pick sense for this one. If you get any guy now where they toast you for Facebook where you never see, whether they tell you say maybe they show your makeups for them. They they shake you John Thomas. Make sure say you use this one and take get sense now. Because many of them, it don't say what they see this thing for social media, it don't too rain for everywhere. More than they pick sense inside. This woman, na matured woman, elderly woman. We're supposed to advise people that she can't do this kind of thing to herself. You know the shame, what the woman go they pass through now for body. But some guys they wicked, they wicked. This woman really just they show you everything without she not the evil feel say you go come show her this kind of thing. Why you can't do this kind of thing to this woman? Publish the video for everywhere. Why? Why you do am? Why you do am? That's say the boy a very great guy. In fact, that boy, God go judge you. God go judge you. Your own karma they come. I think you see that your face now. Where don't fool everywhere now. Because the picture what they say now, it be like say they say that you be the guy. Your picture now go see fool everywhere. My darling people, this one is shock me. Thank you everybody. So anybody that need the video, you can add me on WhatsApp. Then I will send the video to you. Thank you. Bye. Darling, ma play the record. We follow the video call.
A woman with bouncing children, and some boys, 2 boys and 1 girl. A boy say finding ya ware London in Kuana. the other gen run up in Napoli man. O hold on our full leg, but no one carry on our carry, no one carry money. But make 5 minutes madness a kia. Kina moyele Tony, kina moyele yakbata. Adeso wakbata, adeso wa enye. Ubege kidano do, is your mo. When you say we bohe. A morning guy, I beg is and nakedness is baby talent. How would that children feel? How would those children feel? On a master ne more yak bishing our. Because of your money you and na. And your money you and na. We know our feel, ne ball pike. But make 5 minutes madness. You must feel no more where the Auna to play love. About where you play love for me.
The boy will
go play. Or Digisha, or Digi got this one more yellow. No, we are pata. I'll tell you, man. Oh, my man, chow, chow,